Now here we have got another topic from classification of animals. In this in this classification, we have to understand how animal have been to all the other phylum and all the phylum included here. So let's begin. So here is first grades of organization. On tissue topic, I have taught this grade of organization. So grade of organization is mainly the how the organism is made, developed, and how complex it. So depending upon the degree of complexity, how the grade organization the animal. Five type here given five type. First is protoplasmic type or molecular grade. In this is the lowest grade and found in protoplasmic and occur in a cell. In a cell, there occur all the life activities within a boundary in a single cell. So this type of found in protozoa and other unicellular organisms. Now we have second cellular grade. So in cellular grade there will be the cell association, and that makes what different functionally different, and there will be all what lever like division. So example is in porifera. Now we have third tissue grade. In tissue grade there will be also the similar cell aggregation, and when we have what similar cell aggregation with what same function performing same function, that is called tissue grade. The example is Cnidarian or Coelenterata. We have other is the organ grade. In organ grade there is association between tissue make what organ. Now this organ comes under Platyhelminthes phylum. Now we have another. This is the highest level of organization, organ system grade. In this there will be the organ formation. Organ perform a organ make a what some function that makes a system. So this is the highly advanced found from Nemathelminthes to up to Chordata. Now we have another classification, animal body plan. So in animal body plan, how this cell is organized. The main thing is here how the cell is organized to form a organism. So that is body plan. So cellular grade of body plan means cell exhibited, that is a sponge which comes under parazoa. After porifera there will be not parazoa, there will be metazoa, and the cell loosely arranged, no germ cell. Now in blind sac there is the blind cell formed to the body as the blind, not outgoing or excretory or anus is present. So blind sac body plan. In flatworm and Cnidaria means coelentrates. So no fecal exudation. Now we have third type, that is tube with inner tube. In this there will be tube making in higher eumetazoa from Nemathelminthes to up to Chordata. So here tube type of formation of the organs. So tube within tube body plan has two type, is outer body wall and inner, that is gut. So tube within body plan is two type, that is protostomic and deuterostomic. Means first formed from the embryo is anus, first form in the in, first form is mouth, that is on the protostomy, and with the phylum, with the all invertebrates phylum except Echinodermata, and deuterostomic is the anus first formed in the embryo, in the what embryo. So example is Echinodermata and Chordata. So so here is a difference. Mouth origin from blastopore, and here not from blastopore. So blastopore is the mouth origin part. I mean, a spiral cleavage, and here occurs radial cleavage, determination cleavage, and undeterminate cleavage. Now we have animal symmetry. In animal symmetry, how the body parts goes on the geometric origin basis. How the body parts what geometric design, that is called uh, symmetricity, animal symmetricity. In this we have spherical symmetricity. In a spherical symmetricity, there will be like a sphere or circle type, and if you cut the organism, then equivalent mirror half is seen. Example in volvox, radio type of protozoan, this type of seen in spherical symmetry, seen in protozoa. Now we have radial symmetry. So radial symmetry is you can cut into similar half by passing through main axis like radial, and this include what? This include echinodermata and echinodermata and and porifera with coelenterata, some class of porifera, not all porifera, some class of porifera and coelenterata. So this now biradial. So biradial is type that is paired rather than what? Paired rather than radial. Now this occurs on sea anemone and Ctenophora groups of coelentrates, both including coelentrates. We have studied. Now bilateral symmetry. So bilateral symmetry applies that if you cut from the top to bottom, then there will be two half, left and right. So this include from above balance elements from above, like Platysmanthes to Chordata. Now we have germ. So germ layer is from what? Gastrula stage, that how the tissue and organ system gives rise, how the tissue and organ liver system gives out, like in diploblastic and triploblastic animal, that are in diploblastic 2 layer, in triploblastic 3 layer, that is outer ectoderm and inner mesoderm. Mesoderm, where again? After ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. So if diploblastic, then only 2 layer, ectoderm and endoderm. So ectoderm is inner and ectoderm is outer and endoderm is inner. Now this type of diploblastic occurs in coelentrates or Cnidaria. Now we have triploblastic. Now in triploblastic, development of triploblastic occurs mesoderm also in the middle. So there will be formed what? Coelom. So now we have segmentation. Segmentation means means how the body is gone or divided on its length by similar repetition. So metamerism from what mesoderm and annelida occur in metamerism means outer and inner both segment. Now arthropoda shows external segmentation for the head, thorax and abdomen. Segmentation in flatworm is pseudometamerism, so that body developed into many segments in proglottids. Now we have body cavity or coelom. So coelom is formed on the middle germ layer. It contains internal organ. According to coelom, we have also three types, that is oscillomate first. So oscillomates means no body cavity fluid in oscillomates, and this occurs in phylum Poriferous lineates and platyhelminthes flatworm. We have these oscillomates filled with what parenchyma. Now we have pseudocoelomates. Pseudocoelomates means cavity but not filled by fluid, that is not lined by peritoneum. Peritoneum is for the mesoderm or gut. Peritoneum from the mesoderm, that is called pseudocoel. Pseudocoel also persist what blastocele in the what germ layer. So this found in animal helminthes only. Now at last we have third type, that is called coelomates or eucoelomates. Now this include true coelom from what mesodermic peritoneum. Now true coelom got two methods, that is cysocele and enterocele. So cysocele is formed by mesodermic band origin from what blastopore. Example is AAM, means Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca. And we have other enterocele. In enterocele, a cavity is formed from what archenterum. That from this include phylum Echinodermata to Chordata. Now hemocoelomates. So hemocoelomates is a specialized type of coelom that contain what blood and occur in Arthropoda and Mollusca, two phylum. Now here we have what on the basis of removal of nitrogenous waste. So which animal gives which waste? So aminotelic is secrete or excrete what ammonia from the body, occurs up to crocodile and amphibian tails, because that all contain in water, and highly water animal will give ammonia. Now ureotelic, in ureotelic excrete urea. In cartilaginous fish, semi-aquatic amphibians and mammals also include. And this Ascaris means roundworm and earthworm. Both roundworm and earthworm are both aminotelic and ureotelic. So uricotelic, so other uricotelic is for uric acid. This include insect, bird and some land land reptiles. Other is aminotelic. Aminotelic include excretion of amino acid found in some Echinodermata, Astraea and Unio mollusca for Echinodermata and mollusca phylum. Now guanotelic excrete guania in spider. Now we have excretory organs here given by all the phylum or all the phylum that included by diffusion or body surface. We have porifera and cylindrata. By flame cell we have flatworm, excretory canal or rennet cell, roundworm means Escalmenthes, Nemalthelminthes. Now renal sac or renal organ mollusca, it called kidney too, kidney in mollusca, that is called kidney. Now nephridia in annelida, in earthworm, cork jaw or malpighian tubules, arachnida, scorpion, enterally or green gland, prawn, arthropoda, malpighian tubules and udate cells, millipedes, arthropoda, kidney vertebrates. So up to this.